What up? It's Vitela, home tech expert. I'm back in the city of Orange, here to install some outdoor Ring cameras all around the house. Check this out. Look how beautiful this is coming out. This is how I like to do things the home tech expert way. From the wiring, the drilling, the dry repair work, the sanding, the texturing. And this is the final product. A Ring Professional model outdoor floodlight camera overlooking the driveway. And it also has motion sensor LED lights, 2000 lumens for the nighttime. It comes in white, it comes in black, so you can match it to your house color. And it operates simply off of the Ring app. Now, taking a look at the front door, they had a Ring video doorbell previously, but they were tired of recharging the battery. We like to hardwire things, and we also added an angle bracket and a black cover on there so it matches the front door handle and the deadbolt. If you want to get something done professionally like this in your home, go to my website, hometechexpert.com, and click on Schedule a Free Estimate. Thanks for watching.